If you've ever taken a photo of a building, document, sign, or product and it looks tilted, skewed, or warped, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix image perspective in Photoshop. This is one of the fastest and most useful tricks in Photoshop, especially if you want your image to look straight, clean, and professional without spending a ton of time manually correcting it. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Photoshop tips and editing guides. Now let's jump right in. The easiest way to fix perspective in Photoshop for a photo like this is by using the Perspective Crop tool. This tool is especially great for architecture, buildings, signs, posters, and even scanned documents because it allows you to flatten a skewed image in just a few simple steps. So first, make sure your image is open inside Photoshop. Next, go over to the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Look for the standard crop tool. If you don't see the perspective crop tool right away, don't worry. Just right-click on the crop tool icon and you'll see a small menu appear. From that menu, choose the perspective crop tool. This is the tool we're going to use to correct the angle and straighten out the image. Once you select it, click and drag a large box over the part of the image you want to fix. As you do this, you'll notice a grid appear across the photo. This grid is what helps Photoshop understand the perspective of your image, so you want to place it carefully. Now comes the most important part. Take each of the 4 corner points of the grid and drag them so they line up with the actual perspective lines in your subject. For example, if you're correcting a building, match the left edge of the grid to the leaning left wall and match the right edge to the right wall. If you're fixing a document, line the corners up with the outer edges of the paper. The goal is to make the grid follow the shape and angle of the distorted object as accurately as possible. Take your time here, because the better your corner placement is, the better the final correction will look. If the corners are off, the result may look a little strange or uneven, so zoom in if you need to and make sure each corner is aligned as closely as possible to the lines of the subject. Once everything looks properly aligned, press Enter on Windows or Return on Mac. Photoshop will instantly stretch and reshape the image inside that grid, turning the skewed photo into a clean, flat, face-on view. This is what makes the perspective crop tool so powerful, because it can save a photo that would otherwise look crooked or difficult to use. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you fixed the perspective and straightened out the image in Photoshop. This method is ideal when you want a fast, accurate correction for architectural shots, scanned materials, or any image that was taken from an awkward angle. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Photoshop tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.